Welcome back to another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. I'm Satoli. Today, while driving the back roads of Morrow County, Ohio, I came across this old steel truss bridge. Let's check it out. Built in 1876, the Alum Creek wrought iron pinned Pratt through truss bridge is 90 feet long and spans Alum Creek. Constructed by the Wrought Iron Bridge Company of Canton, Ohio, it's reported that this bridge was originally located near the Morrow County Fairgrounds in Mount Gilead and spanned Whetstone Creek. At some point, it was replaced and transported to this location where it is still used daily. This 144-year-old bridge will most likely be replaced at some point in the future. However, it still seems structurally sound and able to handle the few cars that use her on a daily basis. It's interesting to think that we are using a bridge that has outlasted its builders, their children, their grandchildren, and most likely some of their great-grandchildren. A true piece of American history. Thanks for watching another edition of History in Your Own Backyard. Today we were in Morrow County, Ohio, checking out this old steel truss bridge. Hope you enjoyed it. And remember, travel slowly and stop often. See you next time.